Hey, what's up guys, how's that app here? And today I'm going to tell you how you can very easily download and save an Instagram reel onto your phone and share it on WhatsApp, share it on Telegram, or share it anywhere that you want and do anything that you can with any normal video that is sitting on your phone. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this and I'll tell you how you can do it. Alright, so first things first, you need to go to the Instagram app and then scroll and find the reel that you want to download. So let's just say that I want to download this reel right here. All you need to do is just click on these three dots and then click this link icon. What this will do is it will copy the link to this particular reel. And then what you want to do is go on to any browser of your choice. So downloading this reel does not require any other external application on your phone. So once you're in a browser, you need to search for this website, instavideosave.net. So yeah, this is what you need to search for, instavideosave.net, and just click enter. And once you're here, you need to paste the link that you just copied of the reel. So I'll just paste that here and then click this download icon here. And it'll load a while and then it'll show you the video. So you can confirm that it's the same video by playing it right here. And it'll just show you that the video that you're about to download. So it's the same video, and you can even see the length of the video here, which is not available on Instagram by default. So you can now click these three buttons to download the video, or you can just download the video straight ahead from this button. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and it'll show you that the video is downloading and the file has been downloaded. So I can just go here and click the button, and here is my video. So now this is downloaded offline. I can even show you guys by going to airplane mode. So once I'm on airplane mode, you can see that this is in my download section, and I can play this video. 2 years ago. And it works just fine. And this video I can share on WhatsApp, Telegram, wherever. I can also add this as my status. So I can pretty much share it on any other app that I want. So yeah, that's all for today guys. A quick and short video to let you know how to download and save Instagram Reels. And if you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family to let them know how to download and share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp and how to set it on their status. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.